Imagine a world where machines can literally think exactly like humans. I'm talking about systems that can flawlessly copy your voice, perfectly recreate your face, write comprehensive articles, make split-second complex decisions, and, most crucially, actually learn from their own mistakes.
Now, that phrase right there, machines that can think, it totally sounds like pure science fiction, doesn't it? Like something straight out of a futuristic movie. But here is the absolute critical takeaway for us today. It's our reality, right now. Artificial intelligence is changing our world faster than literally any technology in human history.
And honestly, because of that breakneck speed, it forces us to confront this ultimate, kind of terrifying question. Will AI become humanity's greatest invention or its biggest threat? Today, we're diving headfirst into that exact duality. We're exploring the so-called dark side of this incredibly powerful tech so we can understand exactly what is at stake here.
Okay, let's dive into our roadmap for today. First up, what is artificial intelligence? Number 2, the illusion of truth. 3, the future of work. 4, privacy and mass surveillance. 5, the new battlefield. And finally, number 6, ally or ultimate threat.
So, Section 1. What is artificial intelligence? The technology powering our world.
Let's set our baseline. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is technology that allows machines to learn, analyze information, and make decisions. Think of it less like a basic calculator that just blindly follows a formula, and way more like a grandmaster in chess who adapts to their opponent's moves. It isn't just standard programming, it's a technology that actively processes info to make its own choices.
And you are likely already interacting with everyday AI all the time. We're talking about the algorithms curating your social media feeds, your smartphone assistants, online shopping recommendations, hospitals, banks, and even self-driving cars. It makes life remarkably easier for sure. But as this tech becomes so deeply ingrained in our daily routines, concerns about its vulnerabilities are growing right alongside it.
Which brings us to Section 2, the illusion of truth, the rise of deepfakes.
Picture this. You're scrolling online and you watch a video of a famous politician saying something absolutely shocking. The voice is a perfect match, the facial expressions are totally flawless, it looks 100% real. But the reality? It never actually happened. This is the chilling power of deepfake technology, where AI is used to clone voices and generate highly realistic but completely fabricated videos. Now, this is way more than just some digital party trick. Deepfakes introduce some really severe risks. They can rapidly spread misinformation, manipulate elections on a massive scale, completely destroy personal reputations, and intentionally obscure the truth. Experts are actively warning us that we're reaching a point where telling genuine reality from sophisticated fabrication is getting nearly impossible. So it leaves us staring right at this highly provocative question. In a world absolutely filled with AI-generated content, can we still trust what we see? When the line between truth and fiction gets completely erased by an algorithm, our shared understanding of reality faces a really immediate threat.
Moving on to Section 3, the future of work. Will AI take our jobs?
This is the classic double-edged sword right here. On one side, we absolutely face massive displacement risks. AI systems can already write comprehensive reports, analyze vast data sets, and create stunning designs, which threatens to automate millions of jobs. But on the flip side, we have incredible new opportunities. By improving efficiency and reducing costs, many experts argue AI will birth entirely new industries. The undeniable truth, though, the landscape of work is fundamentally changing and adaptability is going to be our primary survival skill.
All right, Section 4, privacy and mass surveillance. The end of privacy?
I really want you to stop and think about the digital footprints you leave behind every single day. It starts with exactly what you're searching for online.
Then it continues with the massive amounts of data generated by what you buy.
And it even extends to where you physically go and who you talk to. AI has this unprecedented ability to just scoop up and analyze this mountain of personal data in mere seconds. Now, while this can certainly improve our daily convenience and security, it also raises some really severe mounting fears about mass surveillance.
Which basically forces us to ask, how much privacy are we actually willing to sacrifice for convenience? Just ponder what happens if this incredibly powerful tracking technology falls into the wrong hands. Who actually gets to decide how our deeply personal data is used?
Let's look at Section 5, the new battlefield, AI in warfare.
we have to talk about the fact that we are now facing the prospect of autonomous systems making life or death decisions without any direct human control. Just imagine the terrifying reality of intelligent machines identifying targets and executing strikes on a future battlefield, literally without a human soldier ever giving that final command.
Without proper global regulations in place, these technologies change the nature of conflict forever. Scientists and world leaders are issuing severe warnings right now that unregulated AI-powered warfare is a monumental existential risk. The future battlefield might not be fought by soldiers at all, but by algorithms.
Finally, Section 6. Ally or ultimate threat. Can AI become smarter than humans?
Here's the core takeaway. AI itself is neither purely good nor purely evil. It is simply a remarkably powerful tool. Look, if it's used responsibly, it could revolutionize medicine, vastly improve education, and solve some of our most complex global problems. But if it's used carelessly, it could amplify dangerous misinformation, completely erode our privacy, and create cascading risks that we honestly just don't fully understand yet.
Ultimately, no one knows exactly what the future holds, but the power still remains in our hands. The choices humanity makes today will absolutely shape tomorrow. The story of artificial intelligence, it's still unwritten, and how we resolve this massive tension depends entirely on the deliberate guardrails we choose to build right now.
So I want to leave you with one final critical thought to chew on. Will AI become humanity's greatest ally or its greatest threat? Let us know what you think. Keep exploring, stay curious out there, and I'll see you for our next explainer.